Hey there, it's Eric with Team Drawio, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make sure your hard work is always saved and easily accessible to your entire team. Whether you're creating a diagram from scratch or working on an existing board, we'll get you through saving and publishing your work in Drawio. Let's start with saving your hard work inside the Drawio editor. When you're ready to lock in your progress, simply click the Publish button in the top right corner. Your diagram is now already saved as a Confluence attachment. All you have to do now is to also publish the Confluence page that you're working on to share it with your colleagues. Once you've done that, you can always edit the diagram or whiteboard, whether from the view or the edit mode of the Confluence page. No matter which option you choose, our autosave feature always ensures that no changes are lost. What if you're collaborating on a diagram that a colleague has already started? Well, if they've published it at least once, you'll be able to jump in and start working on it together. Just remember, before you can access their diagram, they need to publish both the diagram and the Confluence page itself. Once they've done that, you're good to go. Keep in mind that when you're working on a whiteboard or diagram with others, changes are continuously saved and visible to everyone in real time. The final version will reflect all the edits made up until the point someone hits publish, regardless of who does it last. In fact, every change is captured automatically so nothing is lost, even in the event of a power outage or computer shutdown. All you need to do is hit publish to make those updates viewable outside the editor. Thanks for sticking with me. Now you know how to keep your diagram safe and ensure that your team always has access to the latest updates. Be sure to check out our next video where we'll be diving into importing and exporting diagrams in drawio.